Hello, my name is Miss Richardson, and I'm here today to talk to you about the Level 2 certificate GCSE option. Now, it is an option choice, so you can choose to study finance at GCSE. Now, this Level 2 certificate is called the Financial Capability and Careers Development Option, CEFCCD, and it is run by the London Institute of Banking and Finance, LIBF. Now, we've been running this course out of school areas for several years. The GCSE course, in its current form, regulated by Wales now, by Qualification Wales, is actually been running since 2020. However, the A level course, which has been running at areas for several years now, has been running a lot longer. Now, the way the course is set up, it will be taught by one of the experienced finance teachers we have at Arius, and it will be taught in two dedicated classrooms that each fitted with a suite of Chromebooks to support your learning. It is a 2-year course, and the aim, obviously, first of all, is to give you financial skills that will help you in life, but also if you continue to further this study, hopefully become someone who can be employed in the financial field. Now, why might you want to study this? Well, the main objective of this particular course is that we want people to be familiar with and understand legal practices for money, be able to personal budget, be able to understand the use of banks and building societies, but also to be able to use this financial services that you um, learn about in a career possibly in the future. Now, there's key areas that will be covered by this course. There will be sources of money, taxes, bank accounts, methods for borrowing and repaying money, and also creating budgets, financial protection and the impact of debt, and also careers based on finance in the world of employment. Now, your course will be split into 4 separate units. Unit 1 is the Personal Financial Encounters, PFE. Unit 2, Money Management Solutions, MMS. Unit 3, Personal Finance Management, PFM. And Unit 4, Careers in Finance, CIF. Now then, Unit 1 aims to increase students' understanding of the sources of money and understanding of everyday financial encounters, enabling them to make informed decisions about their finances. Unit 2, the aim of the MMS is to develop students' understanding of the banking systems available to them. This will enable them to make informed choices about their bank account spending decisions. Unit 3, the aim of this is to increase students' understanding of personal finance, taking into account affordability, choice, and protection. Unit 4, this aims to provide students with an understanding of the careers that are available to them in financial services and the key entry routes, providing them with ways of enhancing their employability. Now, this course, as I said, is unique to Wales and has been regulated by Qualification Wales. How do the assessments work? Well, Unit 1 is a 30-minute online exam called an e-test. It consists of 18 multiple choice questions and then separately 12 more questions that are based around 4 stimulant materials and so on. The total of each question is 1 mark, so this is a total of 30 marks, and it actually makes up 30% of your qualification. Unit 2, the exam comes under similar constraints, same time, it is an e-test and a similar same number of questions. Again, it's worth 30% of your qualification. Unit 3 and 4 are also e-test, however, they use less multiple choice questions and they are only worth 20% of your overall grade each. Collectively, they make 100% of your grade and the qualification is graded A star to C. Now, you must pass each unit individually to be able to continue. If you don't do this, you will fail. How is it graded? If you are able to get 80 or more marks, you can gain an A star. If you can be doing between 70 and 79 marks, you could gain an A at GCSE. 60 to 69, a B grade, and 50 to 59, a C grade. You may notice there are no grades lower than a C grade. If you do not get 50 marks, you will fail the course. So obviously, this is giving you a hint that this is not an easy course or an easy option. It will take some commitment from you. So What are the entry requirements? If you want to choose this option, now there is no specific levels we expect, but we need to inform you that you need to be aware that you should be able to study at a level A starter C at GCSE to be able to take on this course. You're definitely going to need basic IT skills that include the use of Word and Excel. You're certainly going to need adequate numeracy skills to support the manipulation of financial numerical data, and you're going to need good reading and comprehension skills. It's also essential that you have good attendance, as you will sit 4 separate modules throughout the 2 years, and also that you have a commitment to hard work and independent study, because you will be expected to do your own research and reading around the subject. Progression. Well, what will this earn you, all this hard work? Well, obviously, the most basic will be that this course is going to give you a valuable insight into the life skills you'll need for your financial um, aspects of your life, but also it will give you many employability skills, things that would help you to get into the financial sector. How about further progression? Well, we do actually have the level 3 course taught in AS and A level for people to take part in and to further their interest in this financial services study. If you then are able to do this, you have got yourself a qualification that will set you on a grounding that will support an application to uni for financial studies as well. To find out more, what do you need to do? Well, you can either come and find someone from the maths department who will direct you to the finance teachers or myself. But what else can you do? Well, we have the LIBF website. You'll notice at the bottom of the screen there, it tells you where the website is. Once you have made it to there, if you can direct yourself to the Financial Skills for Life and click on the Financial Education Qualifications, you will be able to get yourself to the CEFCCD course. All the information is contained there, including the things I've talked about, plus a specification. And you can even download a brochure to have a bit more research into the topic. Hopefully, this has whetted your appetite for a career in financial services. And if you really think this is of interest to you, maybe you should definitely come and speak to one of the teachers here, just as we can help you decide whether this is a good decision. Thank you very much.